This coconut curry salmon recipe is the best. The #1 coconut curry salmon recipe in the world. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to add a little bit of seafood seasoning, about a tablespoon. Sprinkle it all over it, just like that. Flip it over. Just repeat the same steps. You just want to make sure it's well seasoned. So I'm just going to add a little bit of cooking oil, not too much. I'm just going to use this to sear my salmon for about 30 seconds on the first side, flip it over, and sear it for another 30 seconds. All right, so we're going to add our curry powder, some red curry paste. We're just going to burn these two ingredients together. Then we're going to add some ginger, grated ginger, some minced garlic, shallots, some green onion. Stir it up. I'm also going to add a little bit of coconut milk, about 2 cups of coconut milk. After I add my coconut milk, I'm just going to mix it up a little bit just to combine all these beautiful ingredients together, and then I'll add my salmon right after. Add some red chili pepper, some diced water chestnut, some fresh basil, and just a little bit pinch of salt, just to add a little flavor to it, a little saltiness, not too much. Now we're just going to let this steam for about 5 minutes on medium heat.
Living life every day,